Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use HubSpot CRM analytics for business growth step by step, perfect for small businesses and marketers in 2026. Let's get started. HubSpot CRM analytics helps you track sales, marketing, and customer performance. By analyzing data, you can make informed decisions and grow your business efficiently. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Reports, Dashboards. Here, you'll see an overview of key metrics such as deals, revenue, and activities. Next, customize dashboards. Add reports for contacts, deals, email campaigns, website performance, and marketing activities. You can create custom reports to track the exact metrics that matter to your business. Use deal analytics to monitor pipeline performance, track deal stages, win rates, average deal size, and forecasted revenue. This helps you identify bottlenecks and optimize your sales process. Analyze contact and lead data. Track how leads enter your CRM, their engagement level, and life cycle stages. This information helps you focus on high-value prospects. Use email and marketing analytics. Measure open rates, click-through rates, campaign performance, and conversions. Identify which campaigns are effective and where improvements are needed. Leverage activity tracking to monitor your team's productivity. Track calls, emails, and meetings to ensure follow-ups and engagement are consistent. HubSpot also allows you to set goals and track progress. Monitor targets for revenue, deals closed, and contacts generated to keep your team aligned. In summary, using HubSpot CRM analytics helps you make data-driven decisions, improve marketing and sales strategies, and drive business growth. By customizing dashboards, analyzing deals, contacts, and campaigns, you can optimize performance and grow your business effectively in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and